Hello kids, welcome to Educate Your Child. I hope you all are doing good. Okay students, today we are going to start with something really interesting. That is the concept of money. Yes, whenever you step out from home to buy something, you always carry some or the other money with you, right? Either if you have to buy some toys or you have to buy some dress or you have to buy some grocery, money is a necessity. Is that clear? So मनी में हमारे पास टू थिंग्स होती हैं. द वन इज द कॉइन्स जिनको हम पैसे बोलते हैं एंड द अनदर इज द रुपीज, राइट? सो दीज आर द रुपीज एंड दीज आर द कॉइन्स. एंड नाउ वी विल आइडेंटिफाई दैट व्हाट इज द identification of each coin, right? So this is the coin of 1 rupee. This is a 1 rupee coin. As you can see, the 1 number is mentioned here. So this is the 1 rupee coin, right? And this is a 2 rupee coin. What is the value of this coin is 2. क्या value है इस coin की? 2 rupees, right? Next is, this is a 5 rupee coin because 5 number is mentioned. So it's a 5 rupee coin. And this is a 10 rupees coin, right? So what is the value of this coin is? It's rupees 10. Same goes here as well, right? There are different kinds of notes, right? This is a 10 rupee note. This is a 20 rupee note, 100 rupee note, and this is a 200 rupee note. This is a 200 rupee note, right? All right, students. So this is the how the identification of respective notes on the basis of their value, right? This is a, ये कौन सा coin है? These are the coins which are metal, which are made up of metal. So this is the coins, right? This is 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin, right? And these are the notes: 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 100 rupee note and 200 rupee note, right? Okay. If you have to buy something, like अगर आपको कुछ खरीदना है मार्केट से, let's suppose if you have to buy the packet of pencils and the cost of the pencils is 10 rupees, either you can give this note to the shopkeeper or you can give this coin of 10 rupee, right? The value of these two is the same, right? The value of coin of 10 rupee and the value of this note of 10 rupee is same, right? You can give any of them to the shopkeeper, right? Same goes with this 5 रुपी का नोट भी होता है, बट एज ऑफ नाउ आई डोंट हैव 5 रुपी नोट. बट अगर आप कहीं जाते हैं, आपको 5 रुपीज कॉस्ट है किसी भी चीज की, राइट? तो आप या तो 5 रुपी का कॉइन दे सकते हैं या आप 5 रुपीज का नोट दे सकते हैं. इट्स वन एंड द सेम थिंग. इज इट क्लियर? आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड टिल नाउ. ऑलराइट, नाउ these are the notes: 10, 20, 100 and 200, right? Okay. Now this is a small worksheet I have made for you to make you clear the concept. Now how many coins are required? Now how many coins are required? कितने coins हमें चाहिए? How many coins are required? This is a 5 rupees ice cream. What is the cost of this ice cream is of 5 rupees, right? तो अब 5 rupees के लिए हमें कितने 2 के coins चाहिए और कितने 1 के coins चाहिए? You know the addition, right? 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. So हमें 2 के coins कितने चाहिए? 2, because 2 plus 2 4, 4 हो गई ये, plus 1 का कितना coin चाहिए हमें? 1. So 4 plus 1 5. 2 के coins कितने चाहिए हमें? 2. और 1 का कितना चाहिए? 1. So the total cost of the rupees of this ice cream is 5, right? Now this is the box. Now what is the cost of this box is 10 rupees. क्या कॉस्ट है इसकी 10 rupees. तो हमें 5 के कितने कॉइन्स चाहिए कि कॉस्ट इसकी 10 rupees आ जाए. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 5 में हम 5 के 2 कॉइन्स हो गए ना हमारे पास. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. तो 5 के हम 2 कॉइन्स लेंगे तो इसकी कॉस्ट जो है वो 10 rupees हो जाएगी. राइट तो हमें कितने कॉइन्स चाहिए 5 के 2 कॉइन्स चाहिए. राइट 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 2 coins of 5 is equal to the cost of this box, that is 10 rupees. Right? Okay. Now these are 2 balloons. What is the cost of these 2 balloons is 12 rupees. कितनी है कॉस्ट इसकी 12 rupees. तो अब 5 के हमें कितने चाहिए कॉइन्स 2. yes. So 5 plus 5 10. 10 तो ये हो गए plus 2. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12 ना. So 12 कॉस्ट है. 5 में हम 2 प्लस करेंगे. अब हमें 2 के कितने कॉइन्स चाहिए 1. राइट सो दिस मेक्स 12. 5 plus 5 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. तो कॉस्ट बन गई बलून्स की 12. ओके ऑलराइट. नाउ okay, now count the number of coins. This is another worksheet. Now what you have to do, there are some coins in front of you. Now you have to count how many the coins of 10 rupees, 5 rupees के कितने coins हैं, 2 के कितने और 1 के कितने हैं. Right? I have given you the random coins. Now let's move on to the 10 rupees coin. कितने हैं 10 rupees के 1. We don't have another one, right? कितने coins है हमारे पास 10 rupees के 1. So 10 rupees के कितने coin हुए 1. Next 5 के कितने coins हैं? The one is this, 5 number is mentioned and another is this. तो कितने coins हुए हमारे 2. Now 2 के कितने coins हैं हमारे पास? ये हो गया and this one. कितने coins हो गए 2 के 2. Now 1 के कितने coins है 1. Right? So students, this is how you have to identify the coins. I hope you understand this concept very well. Still, if you have any doubts, then please do comment in the comment box so that I can help you out. Till then, bye, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.